Hi, my name is David. Today we're going to do a free code camp tutorial on CSS applied to visual design. And we can set an image and this to the background of your browser. And one kind of image that you would want to use is like a pattern image, very subtle, like think wallpapers for your background, like bathroom background and all that. And we can see it in this example here. So it wants us to change the background to this link that they have it. And the background property supports this URL function. So how it works, the syntax of it is that you put background. So that's the property we're going to change, colon, and then we put URL. And inside of this, it says the link address is wrapped in quotes inside the parentheses. So we put the parentheses here, and we just simply copy this inside of it. And there you go. Now we can see that this link gets accepted because of this function and becomes the background of your page, and it's much nicer and much cooler. And that's it. Thank you so much.